everyone, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. Today I'm working on this area again, and I want to show you in a minute the irises. The irises and the Johnny Walker catmint are blooming. It's beautiful. So what I did is I dug up some of our black-eyed Susans. Now black-eyed Susan is pretty much an annual. It's a tender perennial but short-lived. But here where I live, it's an annual. But what it does do is it reseeds easily. Oh, there's a whole bunch of these. And so these can take the heat just like the oxeye flowers could do it. But there's another beneficial point to this besides the beauty. These are fuzzy leaves. Deer and bunnies stay away from it. I mean, they will be 2 feet away from it. They don't want to get near it. For some reason, it really irritates them. So I'm putting them on the perennial bed edge, and that way it'll kind of detour them. But they're also very hardy. They're known as the pioneer plant. Do you know why? Because after a fire, these are the first ones that show up. So they will take the worst conditions. So hint, if you're new into gardening or you have a deer or bunny problem, these are your plants. Easy to start. But that's it on my natives. Go to your conservation department. They sell them. They also sell the seeds. But other stores probably sell it too, as Lowe's. I think they sell them and stuff. These are going to bloom later on in the heat of the summer. Like I said, it's the Sahara Desert here. Okay, let me show you some of the irises. In this area, we have the yellows. You might want to just zoom in. You don't even need me on this. With the catmint. That's something else. The deer and the bunnies hate the catmint. So I have 2 types. This is Johnny Walker, and the other one I have to look at the tag. But after these are done, I'm going to put some more flowers like cosmos, and it's just going to branch off because you don't want to mess with the iris rhizomes. They're like roots that go along. But if you put a couple cosmos, it'll just be like the country garden. All right, you want to turn off? This is another batch of irises. The purple ones are over there. I only started with maybe 3 or 4 plants, and over the years it has grown, which is great. And they make great gifts. So you could cut these early morning and put them in a vase. The most stunning, and we had a thunderstorm, are these. They're really beat up, but the color is magnificent. You could kind of zoom in on there. I think what we're going to do, wait honey, can you stop? What we're going to do is probably cut these and put them in a vase, because the last storm is supposed to be also pretty wicked. But this is a quick tour of the garden, park we call it. But later on I'm going to plant some pots with some annuals. They're not flowering, but I want them to start growing. I'm lost on words there. Okay, this is Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. Please subscribe, like, and share.
And hit the like button. If you don't like it, then hit the like button and subscribe button.
No matter what, like us. Hi everyone, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm.